हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब की स्टडी कैसी चल रही है? आई होप आप सबकी स्टडी अच्छी चल रही होगी। आज का वीडियो है पीजीटी टीजीटी के ऑथर पीबी सैली के बारे में। हम लोग कुछ पहले उनकी बायोग्राफी को पढ़ेंगे, फिर एक एक करके उनके वर्क्स को पढ़ेंगे और उसके बाद उनके पीवाईक्यू भी हम लोग कुछ सॉल्व करेंगे। आइए दोस्तों, आज हम लोग पीबी सैली को पढ़ते हैं। P.B. Shelley, born on the 4th August 2092 at Horsham, studied at Eton College. He was born in a wealthy family. He was viewed at school very much. Later moved to Oxford University along with Thomas J. Hawke. He was expelled from the university for writing The Necessity of Atheism pamphlet. He was nicknamed as Mad Sally, an Eton atheist, influenced by William Godwin, first wife Harriet Westbrook, and second wife Mary Shelley. Tried to write some Gothic romances early in his career but failed. Also wrote another pamphlet, Declaration of Right. शॉन इनके बेटे का नाम विलियम, डॉटर Carol, died by drawing of his schooner, the Ariel. Byron said, most gentle, most amiable person I have met. He was buried beside kids. Nothing of him that doth fade, but does suffer a sea change into something rich and strange. He hath taken from the tempest. ये इनका बायोग्राफी हो गया। अब हम लोग दोस्तों उनके एक एक करके वर्क्स को पढ़ते हैं। क्यून मैप 1830, विजनरी पोयम रिटन बाय सैली एट द एज ऑफ 18। सैली के पीवी सैली एज ऑफ 18 में वो विजनरी पोयम लिखे थे। सब टाइटल है पोयम का, अ फिलोसफिकल पोयम विथ नोट्स। It has 9 cantos, originally titled as The Demon of the World. Opening line है, How wonderful is death, death and his brother sleep. It talks about a future vision of the world, written in a fairy tale format. Queen Map is a fairy who takes away the soul of Lanthe. She then analyzes Lathin's soul, dreams and aspiration. Then finally return his back and Lanthe start a new journey. He symbolized that reformation in mankind is possible. An attack on dogmatic religion. उसके बाद फिर हम एलेस्टर ऑल द स्पिरिट ऑफ सॉलिट्यूड जो आया था 1860 में, स्पिरिचुअल ऑटोबायोग्राफी है। दिस टाइटल वाज सजेस्टेड बाय थॉमस ल पिकॉक. Also decided to him. Alistair is a Roman word means evil genius. It is based on a vague motif or quest narrative. The protagonist is a poet whose make a journey to Caucasus mountains. The Revolt of Islam 1818. Original title, Leon and Cynthia, or The Revolution of the Golden City, a vision of the 19th century. Poem in 2 cantos written in Spenser stanza. It is a symbolic tale talking about Sally's revolutionary idealism, inspired by Tass Jerusalem Delivered. अब उसके बाद हम लोग पढ़ेंगे The Sensi 1819. It is a words play written in 5 acts. The plot is based on a true story of a girl named Vetera Sensi who have executed for murdering her father. Theme of insects and patricide. Andonus 1821. Completed. Poem written by Sally on the death of Keats and Tom Chatterton. Subtitle: An elegy on the death of John Keats, author of Endymion, Hyperion, etc. 495 lines in 55 stanza. Pastoral elegy है ये. The speaker mourns for Keats and calls on Urania to weep for him. Urania laments that she cannot join him in death. Byron, Thomas More, Leigh Hunt, all are sad. The poet requests them not to be weep anymore. Keats is new, free from every attacks and problem of life. He is enjoying eternity. Eternity मतलब होता है शांति से. Prometheus and Bond 1820 lyrical drama in 4 acts. ये 4 acts में थे और हमारा ये बेस्ड ऑन था लॉस्ट ड्रामा बाय एक्लिस. Porthemus was a benefactor of mankind who gave them the knowledge of fire. फिर Ode to a Wasteland Wind, written in Terza Rima. This poem is also talking about message of revelation and reform. He want to send this message through west wind. It is a destroyer and preserver. उसके बाद हम लोग कुछ अदर वर्क्स को भी पढ़ेंगे. अदर्स वर्क जो हम लोग देख लेते हैं उसके बाद इसको डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. इपिस्डेमियन 1821 जो ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल पोएम है. द ट्रम्प ऑफ द लाइफ 1822 सैलीज अनफिनिश्ड विजनरी पोएम है जो ये अनफिनिश्ड हुआ था. इंग्लैंड इन 1819 सोनेट मस्के ऑफ एनर्की 1819 बलड Oedipus Tyrannus 4 Sweetle Food the Tyrant Only Comedy of Romantic Age. Ozymandias Sonnet A Defense of Poet in 1814 Prose Work Criticism. Hellas 1821 ये लिरिकल ड्रामा है. दोस्तों आज हम लोग पीबी शैली के भी उसकी बायोग्राफी को पढ़ लिए, कुछ उनके वर्क को पढ़ लिए. थैंक यू दोस्तों. आप लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा.